Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Sharice. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to master the no part look on deep curly hair. So I'm using hair from Eayon Hair. It is a lace frontal wig. It is curly, and if you need any more information on this unit, it will be down below. When I got the unit, I did have to bleach the knots, and I also did my own plucking. To keep this wig in place, I went ahead and pushed the combs into my braids, comfortably of course, and then I went ahead and tightened the adjustable bands that already came on the wig. To stick my wig down, I'm going to be using Gotta Be Glued, and that's pretty much all. It's really important that you don't use a lot of Gotta Be Glued or it will be a messy mess. So instead, make sure you use a little bit. How cute is this unicorn brush? I got it from Forever 21 and I'm just like obsessed with the cute little things at the checkout line. So this was one that I had to get. I am going to be using my Conair blow dryer. This blow dryer is my favorite blow dryer. I hope it never breaks. I've had it for a while now and it's extremely hot, strong, and gets any job done that you need to be done. So now I'm going to go ahead and just gel down the other side. Now to dive more into the topic of this video, I kind of wanted to do that no part look, you know, like when your hair is just flung back, or the flip over method that I know Ivy usually does. And I kind of have a hard time doing it because sometimes I feel like certain wigs it makes it a little bit harder for me to achieve that look. I don't know. Some wigs for me are easier than others. It was very much easier to do this look for some odd reason, but I think because the hair is curly from the roots. You guys, I could not find my headscarf, so I was kind of forced to use my headband and then just tie it in the back. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my lace off. I don't think I put too much gel right here, so if you are like, you didn't put too much gel either, that's fine. Just begin cutting. So just go ahead and cut your lace. Now to get this look also, you need to make sure your edges look flawless because you're going to be throwing your hair back. You're going to be pushing it from the left side and the right side. So it's important your lace is flat. I'm just going to use some more Gotta Be Glue, and I'm kind of going to place it in the areas that I didn't already put it in, like underneath the little rolly parts. You see right here? So I was rolling up right there. I do this so that I have less to clean up towards the end. And don't put a lot, don't overdo it. Then it's gonna like ooze out and be all nasty. Oh, nasty on your whole face. You can avoid this step if you put way more Gotta Be Glued, but I hate having to go back and wipe off the excess with the Q-tip. So for me, it's easier if I do this. It's much more neater and much more accurate. So while that's drying, I don't like to like go ahead and touch my hair up here because I don't want it to, you know, lift as I'm doing it. What I am going to do in the meantime though, I am going to wet my hair. Get your water and just spray. Next, I'm going to just go ahead, like I mentioned before, and just wet the hair, make it nice and curly. And there goes my unicorn brush again. You can use any kind of weave or paddle brush. When you're working with curly hair, you want to make sure you have a really great brush that can help to get all the tangles out. That's what makes your curls look more poppin', healthy, as if it's real hair, and just more prettier. Go ahead and take off your scarf, head tie, headband, either or. And then now I'm just going to use, I actually don't have anything on my brush, like literally. I'm just doing this dryly, but then I'm going to also go ahead and add some mousse. And I'm only going to add a little bit. And then just swiftly brush my edges into place. Not really making them exaggerated, but making them look nice enough where they look natural. Next, I went ahead and cut a little bit more just because I felt like it was a little too scanty. And then this is pretty much the end look. Everything after here is me just fixing it up, throwing things in places. I didn't put mousse all over my hair, but I did make sure I put it in that little section in the front. And then now it's just a matter of figuring out which side you want to flip your hair to, which way does it fit your head properly, and making sure you don't have an actual part. So you can see like my part is existent but kind of non-existent at the same time. This oil, this is my favorite oil. You guys know this. I use this all the time. It's perfect for curly hair. It adds life to your curly hair. So if you have really dry hair, weave, or just dry straight hair, dry curly hair, dry body wave, dry loose wave, this oil is so light, but it still adds that right kind of shine to your hair. So I absolutely love this oil. I'm always using it. I've been using it for about a couple of years now. And I feel like with me, all my products I use over and over. It's very rare that I do add a new one into my selection, but I always use the same product. So this and the Eayon oil, always using. But I think this hair was flawless. It was soft, it was curly, it was pretty. This hair was amazing. This is my second time working with them, and the first wig I had a great experience with. So I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is a perfect hairstyle for like the summertime or like vacation if you really don't want to have that part and be stuck to one part. So I loved it. I will definitely do this look again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.